Thank you for visiting Lean Excel Solutions. Lean stands for efficient and with no waste. Microsoft Office applications are most widely used to improve the productivity at work. But just knowing these applications is not sufficient. You must have to become skilled to use it efficiently. In short, you have to become a lean in using these applications. And Excel is the one which is being used extensively. Here you will find the solutions to use Microsoft Office applications efficiently and without wastage of time and effort. It will help you to improve your skills timely and stay ahead in the competitive world. Mostly, you will learn here Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and Power BI related skills.